Hey family, welcome back to Mind Your Plate, where we turn simple foods into smart habits. Today we're making okra water. Yes, that slimy vegetable that your auntie swears by. Okra water is simply fresh okra soaked in water. No boiling, no blending, no supplements, no preservatives. Simply fresh okra, water, and some patience. So all you need is fresh okra, a knife, a clean jar, and fresh water. Before anything else, we are going to clean our okra. I simply soak mine in vinegar or lemon water, not more than 5 minutes. Okra grows close to the ground, so you want to get rid of the dirt, dust, debris, or any surface bacteria that might have gone to it before it made it to your kitchen. So do not skip this step. Now trim off the ends. Then slice the okra into thin rounds. Okra is rich in soluble fiber, which helps soften stool, support regular digestion, and feed the good gut bacteria. The gel coats your digestive tract, making digestion smoother, literally. Also, the soluble fiber in okra slows down how quickly sugar is absorbed into the bloodstream. And that's why some people drink the okra water to help balance the blood sugar levels. Also, okra helps bind the cholesterol in your gut and support healthier cholesterol levels. Therefore, more fiber, better heart health, right? Also, okra contains some antioxidants that helps with inflammation. They fight oxidative stress and support overall gut health. And mostly, this is hydration with intention. You're drinking water, but you're also getting the fiber, vitamin A and C, and the plant compounds that support your body, not just feel it. Add the sliced okra into your jar and cover it with water. We're going to let it soak for at least 8 hours. Overnight is perfect. 8 to 12 hours gives you a lighter texture and mild taste. In 24 hours, you get a thicker texture and stronger infusion. So we'll let this soak for, I let mine soak for at least 24 hours, then strain the okra, but you can also consume the chunks. It's basically bonus fiber. Slimy? Yes. Powerful? Also yes. And the best time to consume okra water is first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. You can also drink it before meals, or you can split it into 2 servings during the day. Okra water is best when fresh, but you can store it in the fridge up to 2 days. After that, make a new batch. Okra water is great for most people, but it's not for everybody. Like if you have kidney issues, this is not for you. If you have a sensitive stomach, again, avoid it. Also, if you're on a blood thinning medication, this might not be a great option for you. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you tried drinking okra water? Do you strain it or do you eat the chunks like a champion? What benefits have you noticed? Better digestion, more energy, balanced blood sugar? Drop your experience in the comments below. Let's learn from each other and mind our plates together. It's been 24 hours. We're going to go ahead and strain the chunks out and refrigerate the water. And remember, we're only keeping it for 2 days. After that, you have to make a new batch. Eat well, live mindful, and mind your plate.